Hi. So I wanted to discuss about the first issue of this first user layout not updating. You said that this is not working for the client, and I watched the video, but we only have one access, one user's access, and we need one more user to test if it is working or not. But still, I looked into it and I find something. So I want to show you how it's supposed to work in any org. So if you we say we go to let's say we go to a opportunity, okay, and see how our component try to load the layout so that we better understand when we need to sync and what we are syncing before loading the page. So let's open the opportunity. Okay, so let's open any opportunity. Right now I don't want to look, I just want to show. So when we try to open like this record 3065 or something, and this is our lightning component, highlighter component. So how and basis of it load the layout. So the first thing is it get the record id, so it get the opportunity object, so the object's api name, and second thing is the record type, and the third thing is the logged in users profile. So there is total three keys to get a layout, which is the object's name, the layout, uh, sorry, the object name, and user profile and record type. So three things are there to show the layout. Okay, so let me go back to the classic version. Okay, so in classic experience, okay, so I think I already opened it. So this is the opportunity page layouts. So two layouts are there: solar opportunity layout and tt opportunity page layout. So there are two layouts, and we have a custom setting which is there to save the layouts information. So this is called layout mapping. I created a new view called page assignment, and if we count the total number of opportunity records here, so total number of opportunity records are actually 15, and you see there is 5 record for solar opportunity layout and total 10 records for tt opportunity layouts. This is all 15 records are here. So why this is 15 records, why there is 15 records? So you see here total 5 records. We actually see thermal technology profile, I think, and system administrator, sales agent, that's 1 2 3, and let me check, so I think b2bma integration user are already there. So sales agent, b2bma user, yeah, marketing user. So total high profile we actually account. Maybe other profile does not have any user or they are inactive. So and there is 3 record types. Okay, so 5 into 3, that means total 15 combinations are there, 15 possibilities. This is the page assignment, and in order to so based on I just said the record type and the profile, we get the particular layout, and we save it here in the custom setting. So when we load our detail page, we check in the custom setting and get the layout name here. Okay, so after getting the layout name, any user can read the layout and show it on. We can read the layout for any user. We don't need any special permission for them, but to read this we need metadata apis, and only admins can call metadata apis. That's why we sync the layouts and we create these 15 records. So let's say, and we are syncing for sales agent. Okay, so when we sync for sales agent and for opportunity, we sync actually only 3 records. That is what that's what happening, that was happening earlier yesterday. So then I change it, so when we sync, when sales agent uh, sync the layout from their detail page, for opportunity detail page. Now we are syncing whole 15 records, and sometimes it take more time because there are more layouts, more like here it is 15, but it should be quick. Second thing is like few months back before at the first this is how it was working, but then you see when you were whenever the user try to load the record, we get the opportunity here and then we read the opportunity from Salesforce and show it. But this was taking too long, so we added one more layer, which is the layout record. So what is the layout record? We when we load the opportunity the layout first time, we save it in this custom object here. This is the whole layout here. Okay, so here it is. So now what happen if user change anything in the actual layout, it will not show on the page because we are fetching this layout, so the field is not here, it will not show. What happen when we sync layout? When we sync layout, we actually recreate these mappings as well, because we don't know if the layout is changed or the record the page assignment is also changed like this one. So first we refresh this one, and after that we delete all these. And what happened when user open the detail page, it will create the record automatically, and with the fresh layout fields. So that's how it's working. Now come to the point of where you said that some users does not see the field but admin can see the field. So I'm not sure how I can test, but two things like this is the layout mapping record, and this record is for system administrator. This is for opportunity object system administrator, and the record type is thermal sales of. So that means when we open a opportunity with record type thermal sales of, we search on this custom setting with profile ID, record type ID, and the record type ID, profile ID, and the object name. So what we get layout name and this custom settings ID. So we got the layout name and the custom settings ID. Now with this custom settings ID, we try to query the records, the layout records. Here you see there is a field called layout mapping. So each layout record is connected to one mapping. So here you see, let's say I'm searching for, I got this custom setting record, and I will get this layout. This layout is for mark, and you see this is connected to this one. That means this is for system administrator, and we got this layout. So what we do after getting this layout record, we just get the layout JSON and just show the layout. So that's how it works. Now if there is another user called Paul. So Paul's profile is thermal technology profile. Okay, and there is a record L16 for Paul. Okay, for same layout and same record type. Okay, so when Paul will open the same opportunity record or another opportunity record with same record type, this layout will show, this L16 will show for him. And when I check the standing order field, stand order, uh, I think it should be here. Yeah, you see this is the layout saved and it says stand order is here, and this is for the administrator Mark with whom I'm logged in, and I'm sure here it is, so I can see this one. But this second layout is for Paul, and he is, I think, uh, thermal technology profile, and this sales order is here too. Okay, so I'm sure he can also see this field. So at least we need a user uh, or its access, or at least the record here, to know that he cannot see the field. Now some users open the record, but there is no record for them, like there is no layout saved here for those users. That can happen if the user does not have this object's access, because we create this object's record in his context, and all the users should have the access for the layout. But still I did not get any such user who does not have access for the sand order. I'm not sure how I can like reproduce the problem. Please suggest.